Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this story, I will tell you how you can print the papers from the Phantom P3302 printer. There are a lot of methods by using you can print the papers from the Phantom. So I will talk about all the methods. So first of all, we will talk about the single print, one-sided print. You can just print test page like this. You have to search in the system. You have to search the printer, and after that you can give the command from the settings of the printer. Just you have to click on print a test page. After that, here you can see that the one sided page has test page has been printed. So let's move to the original documents and how you can print the original documents, either a double side or a single side. This is a demo page and you can print it by just using the tray 1. You can also use the tray 2. So move on to the we will use to first of all we will use the tray 1 and we will print the double sided. uh, just you have to press the control P. After that you have to select the page, either one sided or two side. We will first of all we will print the double sided page. One thing you have to remember, either you use a tray 1 or tray 2, you must have to give the only one page. If you provide the multiple page from tray 1, it will pick all the pages. And if you provide the multiple page in the second tray, the page will be jammed in the printer. So you need to only give the one page if you want to print double side. But if you want to print one single side, then you can give the multiple page from the tray 2, but in the tray 1 you can use only one paper. So let's check and wait. I am just feeding the paper in the tray 1. Here you can see that the page has been fed and it is printing in the duplex double sided. You can see that the page has been successfully printed from both sides from the tray 1. Similarly, you can print the paper from the tray 2. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and you can also subscribe this channel for more information. Let's move on to the second tray. You have to give the papers in the second tray similar like the tray 1, and the method is all the method are the same, just you have to change the tray. Now you can give the command from the after pressing control P. You can just give the command and click on the print button. After clicking on print button, it will automatically the page will be print. Just we have to wait it. The page is printing and it has been printed from both the sides. The print is also very good. Now we will print from one side. How you can print document for only one side? Either you can use the tray 1 or tray 2. It totally depends on you. By pressing the tray 1, the tray has been opened and now we will use the tray 1. In the tray 1 you can only give the one page, but in the tray 2 you can use multiple papers for the single print. Now we will change the here you will print on one side. We will print on one side. Now we will print one side, either than two sides. We have to wait it here and the page will be feed. If your printer is turned off, then the system will tell you are not connected with the system. If it is connected with the system, then the page will be feed. So if you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, and for more information you can